We are currently installing a 33.84 kWp solar system on the roof of this luxury villa in Thailand. The project features 48 high-efficiency solar panels, each rated at 705 West. For optimized energy harvest, we have installed 12 units of 2000 W microinverters. The basic mounting structure on the rooftop has now been completed. The team is now wiring the electrical system and connecting the inverters to the solar panels. All materials follow PEA Shri recommended list. This grid-tied system will generate clean electricity for the villa.